Sleep is far more than a period of rest. It is a complex physiological process that rejuvenates the mind and body. Sleep is a natural, periodic state of altered consciousness marked by reduced sensory activity, muscle relaxation, and dynamic brain activity. It plays a vital role in regulating physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Let us first talk about the two types of sleep and also how the sleep cycle works. Sleep isn't a single uniform state, but a dynamic process cycling through distinct stages. A complete sleep cycle lasts about 90 minutes, and most people go through 4 to 6 cycles per night. Each cycle includes both non-REM sleep and REM sleep, each contributing uniquely to your health and well-being. First, non-REM or NREM sleep. NREM sleep is necessary for tissue repair, muscle growth, strengthening the immune system, and clearing cellular waste from the brain. It is further divided into 3 stages. Stage 1. Light sleep. This is a transitional stage where your body relaxes and your heart rate and breathing slow down. The duration is a few minutes and it marks the transition between wakefulness and sleep. Brain activity slows down, producing alpha and theta waves. Heart rate, breathing, and eye movements begin to slow down. It prepares the body for deep sleep by reducing sensory reactivity. Stage 2. Deep relaxation or deeper light sleep. The duration is about 20 minutes per cycle. The body temperature drops, the heart rate slows, and the muscles relax. The brain produces sleep spindles or short bursts of brain activity and K complexes or sudden large waves. Sleep spindles help consolidate memory and process information learned during the day. K complexes help block out external stimuli, keeping you asleep. Stage 3. Deep sleep. Also known as slow wave sleep, it is important for bodily repair and immune function. The duration is 20 to 40 minutes in the early part of the night, decreasing as the night progresses. The brain produces slow delta waves. Heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure are at their lowest. It is difficult to wake you up during this time. You may feel sluggish if disturbed. This is the most restorative stage of sleep. Physical benefits such as tissue repair, muscle growth, and detoxification, to hormonal benefits such as the peak secretion of growth hormones needed for body repair and immune health occurred during this time. Second, REM sleep or rapid eye movement sleep. Its duration increases throughout the night, lasting up to 60 minutes in the last cycle. Brain activity is similar to that of wakefulness, meaning high-frequency beta waves. The eyes move rapidly under closed eyelids. Most dreams occur during this stage. The body is temporarily paralyzed to prevent dreams from materializing. This is essential for everything from cognitive benefits such as enhancing learning, memory consolidation, and problem solving to emotional benefits such as reducing stress by processing emotions and organizing emotional memories. So this sleep facilitates memory consolidation and learning and helps process and regulate emotions. Early night cycles are dominated by NREM sleep, particularly stage 3 deep sleep, which focuses on physical restoration, while during later night cycles, REM sleep becomes more prominent, prioritizing mental and emotional recovery. Why the sleep cycle matters? Understanding your sleep cycle can help you in multiple ways. By maintaining consistent sleep schedules, you can optimize the balance of NREM and REM sleep. Disrupted sleep cycles prevent you from reaching restorative deep and REM stages, leading to cognitive and physical impairments. Stage 3 and REM are essential for recovery, whether from physical exertion or emotional stress. Tracking your sleep through apps or devices can provide insights into your sleep cycle, helping you make adjustments to achieve more restorative sleep. What happens in your body while you sleep? Sleep is an active process during which your body and brain undergo crucial restorative and regulatory functions. 1. Brain activity and cognitive functions. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation. During REM sleep, the brain processes and organizes information from the day, converts short-term memories into long-term ones, enhancing learning and problem-solving abilities. Sleep helps the brain process and stabilize emotions, reducing the intensity of stress and negative feelings. Lack of sleep can increase emotional reactivity, making you more irritable or anxious. The brain's glymphatic system becomes more active during sleep, flushing out waste products such as beta amyloid. This process reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 2. Muscle recovery and growth. During NREM deep sleep, your body repairs damaged muscles, tissues, and bones. Sleep is particularly crucial for recovery after exercise or injury. Growth hormone release peaks during deep sleep, promoting muscle growth and regeneration. This hormone also supports fat metabolism and tissue repair. 3. Immune function. Sleep boosts the production of cytokines, proteins that help fight infections and reduce inflammation. Lack of sleep weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses like colds and flu. Sleep enhances the immune response to vaccines and infections, ensuring stronger and longer-lasting immunity. 4. Metabolic regulation. Sleep is essential for hunger hormone imbalances and insulin sensitivity. Ghrelin stimulates appetite and increases with sleep deprivation. Leptin suppresses appetite and decreases with poor sleep. This imbalance can lead to overeating and cravings for high-calorie foods. Sleep helps maintain insulin sensitivity, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. 5. Heart and blood vessel health. During sleep, blood pressure drops and heart rate slows, giving your heart a break from constant activity. This nocturnal dipping reduces wear and tear on the cardiovascular system. Sleep regulates stress hormones like cortisol, which can damage blood vessels if consistently elevated. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. Why it matters? Each night of quality sleep is an investment in your physical, mental, and emotional health. Prioritizing sleep ensures better memory and cognitive function, improved physical health and fitness, stronger immune system, balanced metabolism and appetite control, and improved heart health and longevity. By understanding these processes, you can appreciate the transformative power of a good night's sleep. Why is sleep important? Sleep is a cornerstone of health and well-being. Its benefits span across mental, physical, and cognitive domains. First, mental health. Poor sleep is closely linked to depression, anxiety, and mood swings. REM sleep plays a critical role in processing emotions and traumatic events, enhancing emotional resilience. Quality sleep reduces cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, helping you feel calmer and more balanced. Second, physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of diabetes, obesity, and weakened immunity. It disrupts hormone balance, including insulin and ghrelin, which regulate blood sugar and appetite. Sleep aids muscle recovery and bone repair. Through the release of growth hormone during deep sleep, it replenishes energy stores, preparing the body for the next day's activities. Third, cognitive performance. Sleep improves decision-making, problem-solving, and creativity by organizing neural pathways in the brain. Memory consolidation during REM and NREM sleep strengthens learning and recall. Poor sleep reduces attention span, reaction time, and logical reasoning. it significantly increases the risk of errors, accidents, and impaired judgment. What are the factors that affect the quality of sleep? Understanding the factors that impact sleep can help you create a healthier, more restorative bedtime routine. 1. Circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm or biological clock governs the sleep-wake cycle, influenced by natural light and darkness. Exposure to blue light from devices at night suppresses melatonin, delaying sleep onset. Irregular schedules disrupt the circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up consistently. 2. Lifestyle choices. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with sleep if consumed late in the day. Although alcohol may induce drowsiness, it disrupts REM sleep and overall sleep quality. Eating large portions close to bedtime can cause discomfort and delay sleep. Chronic stress and irregular bedtime routines lead to poor quality sleep. Relaxation practices like meditation or reading can improve pre-sleep habits. 3. Sleep disorders. Insomnia characterized by difficulty falling or staying asleep, often linked to stress or anxiety. Sleep apnea is a condition where breathing stops temporarily during sleep, leading to fragmented rest. Restless leg syndrome causes discomfort or the urge to move the legs, disrupting sleep continuity. Finally, let's discuss how you can improve your sleep quality. Prioritize quality sleep to stay healthy, focused, and resilient. Skipping sleep may seem productive in the short term, but it compromises your long-term health and performance. 1. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to eliminate light. Consider earplugs or a white noise machine to block out sound. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees centigrade for a comfortable sleep. Invest in a quality mattress and pillows that support your sleep posture and reduce discomfort. 2. Establish a routine. Consistency is key. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your circadian rhythm. Develop calming habits before bed, like reading, light stretching, or a warm bath. 3. Limit screen time. Reduce blue light exposure. Avoid screens like phones, tablets, TVs at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, as blue light disrupts melatonin production. Use night mode if screen use is necessary. Enable blue light blocking features or wear blue light blocking glasses. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise improves sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting deeper sleep stages. Avoid vigorous workouts 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, as they can elevate heart rate and delay sleep. Lastly, manage stress. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation to calm the mind before bed. Write down thoughts or to-do lists to clear your mind and reduce bedtime anxiety. Now let us know some interesting facts related to sleep. The average human spends 1/3 of their life asleep, approximately 25 years over a lifetime. Newborns require 14 to 17 hours of sleep daily, while adults thrive on 7 to 9 hours per night. Sleep deprivation for 24 hours impairs cognitive performance as much as a blood alcohol level of 0.10%, legally considered intoxicated in many countries. In essence, sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity. It's the time when your body and mind rejuvenate, repairing tissues, strengthening memory, and maintaining emotional balance.